Hey friends, hi, this is Siddharth Bagga, www.thebusinessbuffet.com. So this is my new website where you must be knowing that I've been adding a lot, and I mean a lot of training videos for you all people to get a glimpse of the internet marketing world and how you can make a dime online. So today's topic is how to set up a free, and I really mean it, 100% free WordPress website which you can use for like a lot of things. You can create lead capture pages, you can create squeeze pages, you can create a blog or maybe write some articles on it and maybe get an AdSense or an affiliate program affiliated to it and start making money online. So you can also maybe create a e-commerce store because these websites are very high-end websites that I'm going to teach you and remind you again, this is 100% free website. Nothing paid, not for the domain, neither for the hosting, nothing at all. And this is a WordPress website. So let's get started. Firstly, just open up this website that you must be knowing, or if you're not knowing that, maybe like I can tell you, the name of the website is .tk. These are obviously the free domains this website is offering, and I am having an account here, so let's log in. You can log in here with the help of a Google account or maybe create an account as well. So I have already signed in with my name and my Google account, so let's sign in. So as soon as we are getting signed in, I might just tell you that this website is one of the top 3000 websites of the world, and they are offering free domains from a lot of time. So don't worry, this is a good website to get free domains, and also you can get as many domains as you want. So I have around 4 domains already registered here, and today I am gonna use one of my new domains, that is wpfreewebsite.tk. WP is WordPress, because I'm teaching you about a WordPress website, so I just took this domain. So the first thing that you would do is register a domain on this website. As soon as you register a domain on this website, and also the registration process of domain on this website, I have shown this process in a previous video of mine, so maybe you can refer to that if you have any confusion. And as soon as you create a domain with this website, you just need to go to the modify option out here, and listen to me carefully and click on this modify option. There are 3 options showing up: domain forwarding, .tk DNS service, and custom DNS service. Because we are not using the first two, we will select the custom DNS, right? And the main part starts here. You must be looking at these terms: the host name. Write them down, copy them down somewhere, and just do it now. Take Maybe pause the video and do it now, because I'll tell you why I'm concentrating on this stuff, but do it now and it will help us a lot. ns3.hostinger.in, hostinger.in. ns1, ns2, ns3, and ns4, these are 4 host names that we need to enter. And don't enter anything in the IP address, and it will be not applicable in this case. So as soon as you enter these 4 things, that is ns1 hostinger.in, ns2.hostinger.in, ns3, and ns4, and that's it. You just save the changes. As soon as you save the changes, you get a small message out here saying your settings are updated successfully, and you are done with this. You have taken a domain. You have also taken the host name that that the Hostinger website is offering a free web hosting. So you have actually configured the main things now. You have configured the domain with the server names, and you are done with this part. So as soon as you are done, this saves the changes that we just did, and your work with .tk is over. Now, just go to Google and search hostinger.com.in, maybe whichever country are you in. I am from India, so I am searching hostinger.in. So as soon as I search this website opens, Hostinger. So this is a free domain, free web hosting website. Just create an account here. I already have an account. It's a free account, nothing to worry about. Account here. So I'll just log in with my account. Just hold on. I just did the wrong button. So yeah, and this opens. So as you can see, I have already configured the account wpwebsite.tk. Not to worry, I'll show you how I did it. Go to hosting. Yeah, so it has completed the loading process. So I have already registered this website here, but the process you need to follow when you first time register a website is click on create new account. Yeah, and click on the free option, the free plan they are offering with 2000 MB of disk space, 100 GB of bandwidth. It's not at all bad for something free. And the most important part is the auto installer. So let's order this. Now select the domain option, and I'm just taking a domain as an example. This is not a original domain. I am just taking it as an example. So let's take uh, the WP tutorials.tk. Maybe you can register this, or maybe not. Just put on some passwords here and here, and enter the security code. You can do it obviously, and as soon as you do it, just click on create. In the right information, when you click on create, I might tell you the things that happens after this. Now you will go to hosting. After you get here, after you have created a new account, your domain would appear here. Plan would be free, status is active, and the actions, click on switch. As soon as you click on this button, what you would see is, so you would see a complete personalized cPanel. So this is the Hostinger cPanel that you would be getting with all the details, and here would be all the functionalities we are going to perform, like installing the WordPress and all the things. So now let me tell you one thing. You must be wondering that I am working on a pre-built website. I made it this afternoon only. So I must tell you what happens when you register a new website. You're looking at the space where the upgrade now button is. Below this, you will be getting information of entering the name servers that we entered in the initial stages in this website .tk. If you remember, I made you enter these four. So this step which we have completed already is shown out here, and it should be done before you can use this panel. But because I made you do that earlier only, so Generally, it takes around 24 hours for your name servers to propagate their information with hosting job. But now, because we have already entered the information in our domain, it will be like in a matter of minutes, in a matter of maybe half an hour, your website would be up and running. That's the main reason why we did enter all the name servers beforehand. And when you do this, maybe you give it a try and refresh this page once or twice, the message appearing on this space would be removed just in the flash of time, and you would be ready with everything you need now. Now, the next part. After the name servers have been configured and the message showing up out here that says to enter your name servers and something like your name servers are not pointing to the website, something like this is removed. Now what you need to do is just go on your website, type its name. For example, we took that name. Let me open my website only, giving you a glimpse of how your website would look after it is done. So my website was WordPress free website.tk. I've already created a lead capture page. That's a sample lead capture page where I have added a simple video, and I have configured here with my autoresponder and a button, and maybe you can write some text out here. And this is a kind of lead capture page, and this is a proper WordPress website. You can make as many lead capture pages, as many websites as you want. So after we are done with the name server issue, your website won't look like this. Your website, when you open your website would show a message showing the default file in your web host. So what you need to do is just log in here and go to the option of auto installer. So here is the auto installer, and there are a bit of options about the type of website that you can create, and there are almost all the type of websites that you are able to create with this simple free trick that I'm telling you. Just click on this. It will ask you to install WordPress. Leave this blank, add an admin username and an admin password, and you should remember this. Click install. This will install on your website, and then when you visit your website, there appears a button that says configure your website, and if it doesn't, then it's well and good. But if it does, then just go to your website, like mine is wpfreewebsites.tk/wp-admin, and the username and the password that you have added should be entered out here. Like for me, it's admin, and the password is, here I am in my WordPress dashboard. So as I told you, this website is a free WordPress website having WordPress installed on it in the main directory, and it works. The website is up, the WordPress hosting is up, hosting your web hosting we have already got, and we are using a .tk domain with the name server added in the initial stages. Do remember this. So now let me teach you how you can create simple but effective lead capture pages for your business and add customized videos and maybe crack sales. Maybe you can use it as with some affiliate programs, and well, use it and make money. So I was telling you about how you can create lead capture pages, because we're already up with a WordPress website, we're already up with a domain, and we're already up with a free hosting. So now let's do one thing. Actually, just go into the option of plugins and add new, and find this plugin called WP Lead Plus. That is the plugin that for the timing I am using. WP Lead Plus. Here it appears. I've already installed it. Install it, and this plugin appears here. Go to create and edit, and this plugin is really very easy to use. And obviously, because WP Lead Plus, the team of WP Lead Plus have already created all the tutorial videos that you need to use with this plugin to create cool and awesome lead capture pages, how to insert autoresponder code, how to add videos, how to add links, and all this stuff. So I don't think that you need to like um, have a tutorial for from my side, just telling you about the things that is already being done. So just search on Google, that is WP tutorials, WP plus tutorials, and you'll get it. WP plus tutorials are available on YouTube. So here are they. Just go to the tutorials. There are a lot of tutorials that you can learn from. You can like make very good capture pages and everything you need to know about WP lead capture pages, WordPress pages, and all. So this was it. I hope you did find the solutions to your problems. You did find how you can make lead capture pages, free blogs, sell them online for cool dollars, make an online shop, maybe sell something, and anything you like. Oh, okay. So, by the way, I even made an online shop with this particular method using all the free means. So let me show you the shop I made. That is a proper affiliate shop, and it actually makes me earn like around 1 to 2,000 bucks every week. Let's have a Here it is. The website is exchangemystuff.in. I made this website like around a month back, and it's already putting thousands of rupees every month in my bank account. And to mind you again, this is a free website. Actually, the .in domains are not free. I bought it for like 150 bucks from GoDaddy. The theme is free, and in the later videos, I would be helping you out with a lot of affiliate marketing tutorials, internet marketing tutorials to help you. And that's it. Thanks a lot. Do subscribe to my channel, and do have a visit to my website, like my page, or maybe follow me on Twitter. So have fun. Bye bye.